Have you ever gotten in trouble with something you don't know? Well, that happened to me once, and it was pretty embarrassing. I didn't know what to do. And this was just down the street. We were taking a walk in the woods like they normally do. And there's a FedEx down there that a few workers come at. They usually never really care. But one time this FedEx worker saw us and was like, "Hey, you get out of there!" Or something. We had no clue what to do. Yo, let's go for a walk down there in the woods. Alright, but we gotta be careful because there's some FedEx workers back there. And when we went down there, that's when we kind of got scared. Because we thought it was their day off. But it sadly wasn't, so we had to get prepared. Alright, bro. We thought that they weren't today, but they are, so we have to get ready, alright? Alright, bro, but I don't know why you're making such a big deal about it. Let's go. And we were in, so we're like, okay, this is normal, I guess, but let's just head out and do something. So, halfway down there, we're almost at the end. There's a new worker, and then he's like, Hey, you kids get out of our property! Yo, this is why I said we shouldn't come here. Go! We're behind you, fam! And we're both freaking out like little lunatics. So we knew what we had to do. My guy was like, hop the fence and left me behind to run. Bye! Oh, come on, bro! I'm done with this. I'm just gonna go outside. And we booked it and went home, and we didn't go back over there since. But there's this one time we went back there, and that boy Karen arised again. But that's for another video. Bye.